if any of you watch my channel, you know that I'm usually a little more thorough as far as making sure you see everything. I hope you can at least get something out of this video. So if you got questions, because I know it's not the best video I've put out, let me know and I'll do my best to help. But this is if your wing, your spoiler on your GX has been ripped off. This is the same kit if your GX came without a wing or spoiler. It comes with template holes to tape in place for where you would drill. So, you know, this is just how you replace one that's ripped off. So, hope it helps. First things first, pop these two covers off. Take these two 10mm nuts out of there. Or, well, I say nut. This one was broken off, so I'll probably have to take that off. But anyway, take those out and we'll move from there. All right, your new one is going to come with these little pieces here that are going to help protect it. These are where your bolts will go back in. Going through here. And let's see, is there one more? Yeah, these will be where they just kind of pop over. This is the old third brake light that I will just wire in here. And once that's wired in, tuck it all the way nice and neat, and then we'll set it up there, and we'll run these original, I'm sorry, not the originals, we gotta find the bolts that will actually screw into these. There we go. Got these bolts that come with it. I'm going to screw in with a flat washer. Alright, something I didn't know I'd have to do. We took the trim off, drilled new holes for the second one, because the original, since this one came with a wing, there was originally just a plastic grommet right here that was attached to the wing itself. So what we'll do, we're gonna put this weather seal on the wing, spoiler, whatever you want to call it, right here. So it'll go there. So what I'll have to do, sorry, I'll get it right in a moment, right there. So what I'll do is undo those wires. I just want to make sure I have the correct ones. It comes with a blue and a white and a white. So if you get into your brake lights, the way that it works is black goes to the blue and white goes to white. That'll give you your third brake light. But drill and tap out this hole. You're going to use this original hole. Get all of your old weather protectant, sealant, whatever you want to call this thing, off. And then you'll put, since there's no third brake light to actually cover up, since there wasn't one here, it was in this. I don't necessarily have to have this, but I am going to put it here just as an extra layer of protection in the middle. And then we will tuck all the wires back in. See, this is where it comes up. That's why I pulled this trim. Tuck all the wires back into the door, and then I'm gonna widen out this hole. I'm gonna widen out this hole to match this one. These will be below the weather stripping, so you won't have to worry about leaks on the inside, and your trim should mostly cover these up. But I need a big enough hole here to be able to get this little bolt and washer through, so that won't fit. So make the hole big enough to fit them through, and then you can tape, if you'd like to, tape your wing in place up top, and then you can run your bolts into it. So anyway, let's do that and tuck these wires away, and let's see what she looks like when we're done. All right, so I've taped it up in place. You can, and if any of y'all watch my channel, you know I don't normally do this is fairly redneck looking as far as this goes. I'm gonna clean up these bolt holes when I'm done, but test it, make sure that all your wiring, I tucked all the wiring back into the wing the way it came out, and run those 4 bolts in real quick, and you should be good to go. So I'm gonna make sure that that brake light works. So go test it, make sure it works, and then snug them up. All right, so that's done. Hit the brakes. Hit them. Oh, got your LED third brake light now. Ready to run. Uh-oh. Well, that ain't my fault. They'll have to replace that. Just a little short inside the light itself. So I want to tighten this down a little bit more, and then we'll be calling that good to go.